Hi there, welcome to this video. My name is Jim, this is Traderatcharts, and today we have a new video and a new indicator that we are going to do a review of. Hopefully it will save you time and money. And you can decide if you want to try it out before you may have tried it out. As usual, if you like my content, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, then hit the thumbs up button. Okay, so let's get started. Today we're gonna do a review of a new indicator called, we're going to the trending here, we are going to Super OrderBlock, and I think this may help you actually, because it looks like it can be messy, but I'm going to try to explain it so you have a little bit more understanding how you can use this. So first, you see all of this here. So I'm going to explain what they are, and then we're going to go through the chart here. Okay, so first we have order blocks, which is OB there, and we have rejection blocks, which is the red ones like here, and we have the fair value gaps, which is here, and break of structure. Every of these have a purpose, and they are all of this will stay in the future. So everything you see here is data that will be here for you guys. So if we look at this here, then we start from here. So we have a order block here, which means that the candle close above here. So we have a buy signal here, and here we also have an OB. It's a buy signal. It's a rising price. Here we come to the rejection blocks. I don't know if we can see here. So here we get the sell signal. And then we get a order block. Order block here. So you see here is kind of levels where it's set out. So here we have a new low. Excuse me. We have a new low here. Here it's get rejected. Here we have an order block. We have a fair value gap here. So as you see here, we had a order block here. So if you see my line here, we have, if we can do this a little bit more green maybe. As you see here, it's get a little bit more green here. So you get an order block here, it's a buy signal. And here we have a fair value gap. So it doesn't make any new high here. So we get a fair value gap here. And we have an order block here. We have have a rejection blocks here. So as you see, if you really scroll down to this, you can maybe see that it can be useful for you. This is the 15-minute chart. We can go to the 1-hour chart to get a little bit more clear, maybe. Can even do the 4-hour chart. So as you see here, you get a lot of buy signals in the uptrend. We get an rejection bar here. We get a order block signal here, and here then we get a new high, and we get a fair value gap. So as you see here, we also have this rejection block here, or the order block, that will be as a support here. So if you go through the 15-minute chart here, you saw that we get a tail or a wick, and here you got the buy signal as well. So I mean, if you learn to use this indicator, you can absolutely use this to your favor, I think. But as always, you need to have a proper set of rules, and you need to learn how this indicator works and how you can take advantage of this indicator. I personally don't use it. I'm trying to I don't like this kind of indicators, but that's my personal opinion. But I think it can be helpful if you want to see levels early on and you don't want to write trend lines like this. You can absolutely use it, but as I have said in many of my videos, learn to use the indicators and don't blindly look at indicators. This may be a different indicator because you find the resistance here in every candle. So if you look back, you will see levels where it have been support and resistance. But as you see here, it's a lot of things on the chart. It can be messy if you are on your phone and stuff like that. So if you are on your phone, maybe it's better to use the daily chart when you have less and less of this. Can do another here, see if we get something different. It probably is the same here. You have the levels here, and you get the order blocks, rejection blocks, fair value gaps, and the break of structure. We can go to a higher time frame. You will see it have the order blocks here. Here maybe you will see that it's some kind of resistance here, support I mean. Go to the 50-minute charts. Here you have 2 order blocks, 3 order blocks, who indicates it's a pretty good buy levels here. So as you see, you have to kind of be your own. I think it will be helpful for you if you use it, but you have to do your due diligence, hard word to say, to get the best best result from this indicator, and I absolutely think this indicator works. We can try it on Bitcoin. Today is Sunday when I record this. Bitcoin, crypto. We can take the 1 minute chart here, see how it works out. So here you have an order block for a sell, and here you have the buy signals, and we see here it's already printed out lines here for resistance and support. So we will see here what will happen at this level here. Slow today, now it's have been 1 minute, you can see it here. See if we can have one one transaction maybe. See a sell or a buy. Okay, so here we have a sell signal now. So you always want to look at this when the bar close, right? So we did get a sell signal and the price rising and the sell signal disappears. But we see here this resistance here is pretty darn good, and we can hopefully we can say it's pretty accurate then. Can go to the 15-minute chart here to see if we can find something good. Order blocks here, green levels. We have the red sell zone here. Yeah, so I'm positive to this indicator. I think you can use it to your advantage. You will find out for yourself which time frame works for you. I think it's gonna work for you if you learn to use it. Maybe don't blindly follow this, but have a good risk-reward ratio and set up your trades that you think will work. And yeah, I think it can work out if you work it the right way. So if you have gotten any value from this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more indicator videos like this, subscribe to my channel. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can do that. Traderatcharts. There I post regularly what I'm my forex trades and so forth. So check that out. And if you want forex signals, check out my. It's a link in the description where I send out my forex signals every day. So check that out if you are interested. I hope this video have given you some kind of value, and I hope you will use it for your benefit. Okay guys, I see you in the next video.